Whoa, Wagwan people said, you know Wagwan. I'm back inside of the environment again. I'm in the forest looking firewood. Today, I'm gonna show you how to start a natural campfire, people. Yeah, you're out in the wilderness. We need to know what? The survival skill them. Conscious how you do? Oh, dry wood, yeah, look. Mad thing. All right, people. So look at this. We have a dry piece of pine wood here, like a branch. It's dry from up there, so, but guess what, go on. We're just gonna take some little twigs and oh, just break off the twigs a minute, Conscious. That's calm.
Yeah, break off all of them, but really and truly we need the thing, you know.
Nah, you see the whole thing? Huh? That dropping off right now, I think it would be a mad thing if that was. It's a lot of manpower.
Licking your head.
Yeah. Everyone, so what's happening right now? We're looking some firewood. We've managed to give thanks to this great tree here, this pine tree.
Dry pine.
Dry pine, so good vibes. Today, I'm gonna show you how to start a fire. Yeah man, the food I go cook today man, a good vibe. So we've got loads of little twigs here, good vibes.
It don't matter if you speak or whatever. We're just taking the pine branches. Tree say this pine's already dry. Old man walking up with the thing, innit? A bit more realistic, innit? Nabilani falling down. Nango jaja food. Yes, I.
Yes, everybody, respect, big up yourself. So today, what's gonna be happening today, everyone? Look, wow, me day outside, I'm fully outside, I'm in the forest. So yeah, I've been cooking in the forest for quite some time and doing loads of cooking videos inside of the forest. But what happens if we go to the forest, everyone, yeah? And we've got all the necessary things them that we need, which is the wood. We've managed to put some pebbles together to protect the ground from burning and things like that, where we're gonna be actually lighting our fire, everyone. So what's next? We need to actually get a flame going. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get a natural flame going today, everybody, yeah? A good vibes. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, starting a campfire. So you're out in the forest and what you need is anything dry to get your fire going. So anything like this, some dry leaves, this is perfect. So we're gonna be going and collecting some dry leaves, everybody, yeah? So our good vibes. Perfect. I'm not gonna look no further, anyone. I've got it all here. Good vibes. Alright everyone, so look, as you can see, I've got my dry leaves. I'm just gonna scrunch up my dry leaves and that's it. So I need to just come in, I need to just get the finest twigs, everybody, and just create our fire. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, thank you very much. I'm out here with my brother Conscious. You understand? We're gonna start a campfire today, people, yeah, because why? We need to cook and we cannot cook a food without a campfire. So I'm gonna show you a good and easy way how to start a campfire. We're gonna big up my brethren Bushcraft tools because Bushcraft has managed to make me get one of these when I went to go and visit him. So if you come in. So this is called a flint, everybody. So the flint creates a natural spark. All right, everybody, so we've managed to get our fire going. So what we have to do so that we don't out this fire is start to put the tiniest little bit of twigs here so that we can keep it going, everybody. So our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so as you can see, the fire start. So it's just about keeping it going now, everybody. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, as you can see, that we've managed to get the fire going now. So it's important to just put the smallest piece of twigs on the fire. You understand, people? And just let it go and catch. Good vibes. Wow, what's helping me right now is the wind that is blowing is actually helping me and making this flame blow up. Because you know, anytime you've got a little fire and you get some wind, it starts to spread. Good vibes. All right, so you know, say this now out back now. So all I'm gonna do, we're not ready to fully start cooking yet, everybody, but what I've done is just allowed a natural little flame to go on. So this is what we're going to be working off of today, people. Yeah, as I've said, look at that, starting a natural campfire, people. Yeah, from nothing, just by using a flint, something that a big flint which is in a lighter, everybody. Yeah, a good vibes. Look at that. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, everybody. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Are good vibes. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, man. So I come out today with the brother Conscious. Big up yourself, Conscious. Yeah, man. So we're outside today and we're going to be cooking up some food today. Yeah, man. We're fully outside and we're in nature. But what I actually wanted to show you guys today is how to light a campfire. Yeah, man, the campfire light up. We've got loads of wood. We've got all our ingredients. We're going to start cooking in a little while, people. Yeah, just so stay tuned for the next episode. Cooking inside of the forest. Now I'll tell you what the ingredients is, everybody. Yeah, but we've got some amazing natural ital thing I cook up in the forest today, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We're fully what? Yeah, man, we're fully active. Yes, everybody, look at that. Wow, we've got a nice fire that started. Look, food is starting to be prepared, people. You have to stay tuned to see what's coming out next on the YouTube channel. How that?
Scotch bonnet.
Pepper.
Hot pepper.
I've all of the ingredients them cut up, everybody. Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Fresh cocoa in the place.
Fresh cocoa in the place, people.
And
yeah.
Look, we even have coconut soup spoon, you know.
See it there? I know the thing. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. Yeah, Ringo Vision and Shanty Kitchen. We're fully active and we're fully outside again. In the right place. Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Spicy.
This episode, everyone, was all about how to light. See it, yeah? The campfire. Yeah, man, and we're gonna start cooking. So stay tuned for the next episode, everybody. Yeah, big up yourself.